All you wanted was a simple QR code for your class, but now you're stuck in a sign-up loop. You are getting hit with scan limits. You are asked to pay just to download the QR code. What if I told you your browser already does this for free? No limits, no sign-ups. Just click, another click, and done. Here's a simple way to bring this into your classroom today. In Microsoft Edge, just right-click anywhere on the page and select Create QR Code. It will generate the code right there, ready to copy or download. In Google Chrome, click the More button to the right of the web address bar. It's the three dots. Then choose Cast, Save, Share, and select Create QR Code. It will generate the code right there, ready to copy or download. If you don't want students using phones, they can scan right from their district laptops. Open the Camera app by searching for Camera in the Windows search bar. Select the barcode option on the side. Position the QR code in front of the camera. A website link will appear right on the screen. Whether it's students scanning warm-ups, parents connecting an open house, or linking to a video, QR codes just make things easier. No more limits, no more fees. Just use what's already built into your browser. If it's not saving time or boosting learning, it's not worth it.